Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes GLC 350e maintenance light reset. We are going to use this call button, this OK button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car to the first position. If you have to push start, go ahead and press once. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the first position and give it a few seconds. Okay, now go ahead and click up or down with these, up or down, to find your main mileage, which is here. And then when you're here, go ahead and press the call button and the OK button at the same time and hold it for about 5 seconds. Give me a second, let me put this down. Okay, go ahead and press the call button and the OK button and give it about 5 seconds. This will show up. Okay, when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to Assist Plus, enter, which is the OK button, and then you're gonna have to switch your ignition to the second position without starting your car. So press it one more time, and if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. Now go down to full service, enter on full service, scroll down to confirm service, enter on that, scroll down to yes, enter on yes, and scroll down to confirm and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.